Peanut has had multiple interactions with cats, dogs, rodents. Nothing really surprises her. This is, I think, maybe the second time Thumper has come in contact with a bird so close. So he's just a little concerned. Obviously, I won't be taking her Peanut out of the cage while Thumper's around. But with the cage, I know full well that both of them are safe. So who is that, Peanut? Who is that? Was that Thumper? Was that Thumper? Yeah. It's kind of like Molly the pit bull. He loves you, huh? And despite what you think, the pit bull has actually probably been one of the most affectionate animals, even around a parrot. So, just FYI.